Hello friends, today I am going to share my thoughts on how to achieve success in life. First, what is success? Success is a science. If you have the condition, you get the result. Same things, if you have a goal, you will achieve the success. But if you don't have a goal, you are not sure about success. But always remember that success is a journey and not a destination. Success is a very important in everyone's life. Everyone has a goal or a dream to become a successful person in their life. There are four true rules to achieve the success. First, have a great aim. Second, continuously acquire knowledge. Third, doing hard work. Fourth, persevere. If you follow these things, you will be succeed. Any task you do, you have to come across problems. The problem should not become the problems should not become the problems should not become the captain of the individual or project chief. The project chief should become the captain of problems and defeat the problem and we succeed. Learnings gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. The history has proven that those who dares to dream their imagination. History has proven that those who dares to imagine the impossible are the ones who break all the human limitations. The names are the people who imagine the impossible are engraved in our history. By breaking the limits of their imagination, they changed the world. Now I am going to share my success story. My goal was to become a software developer. When I was studying in BTech instrumentation in second year, I decided to become a software developer and get a job in IT company. So I applied for the same, but I failed. Then I started working in automation company, but my goal was fixed. So I again applied for the job in IT company. Then I failed two more times, but I tried again and again because I like coding and coding challenges. And I applied for the job at Horizon Core Infosoft, and I was lucky, and I got an offer. So I finally achieved my goal after 2 years. Now I am sharing some points to achieve the success. First, believe in yourself. Second, keep doing hard work. Do whatever you like to do. Be positive. Never give up. Learn from failure. learn from every mistakes, think big. That's it. My challenge to you, if you follow these things, you will definitely get success. The boat does not cross fearing the waves. Those who try are never defeated. Thank you.